We got an M2?
We do.
Again, part 2?
And part 2, man, we're going to be doing a Valvetronic Designs mid-pipe only this time. So this is an equal length setup, but he wants to keep the stock muffler. So we'll throw this on. Everything else stock will remain the same, such as valves, etc., etc. So it's a matter of picking the car up, pulling the front section loose, making our cuts at the back on this Y, throwing the clamps on, we'll be done.
Sounds pretty easy.
Should be. Not too bad.
Guess we'll get cold start stock exhaust clips.
Yeah, so we'll do that. Valves closed, valves open, and of course we'll do all the work. And we'll get some more clips. Valves open, valves closed. Let you guys check it out. So it's a pretty straightforward process. They send their own brace to replace this to compensate for the larger diameter pipe. Our cut line will be most likely in the middle of these 3 dimples that are on the stock exhaust. Then other than that, it's factory bolts. So we'll just pull those nuts loose, get that off and get rid of it. So first steps, I'll put these 2 pieces together and grab a Sharpie and I'll hold it up and I'll have you mark it.
Gotcha.
Very important tool.
Ruby Star Neo.
You're changing Fruit Loops color?
Yeah.
That's what the TT is.
Well, that's actual paint though.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's individual color.
Okay. That's cool. Well, what's Porsche's called? It's Ruby something.
This is Ruby Star Neo, which it could be a Porsche color.
Starburst color.
Yeah, it's individual color.
Yeah, do you want to mark it?
Mark what?
So I'm not responsible for this. Certified tech.
Yep, look at that.
Are they not going to overlap?
Essentially, they butt up and then use those 2 sleeves back there to seal it. And then you have some room for adjustment within this section.
That's a nice pipe you got there.
Whoa.
What?
Hello?
Was that real? That seemed scripted.
Yeah, it definitely didn't seem right. You know, we do all these Valvetronic exhausts and we've come to the conclusion that they don't make one for the E90, and it kind of pisses us off. Because all of us here at the shop have an E90 and they don't make an exhaust. So, shame on them. You know who does make an exhaust for it? VRSF. They do. Yeah, that's legit. Those are the guys right there. Screw Valvetronic.
It just turns into a hit piece.
Oh yeah, it's terrible. We're not fancy enough for Valvetronic. We're not like an R8 or something.
Yeah.
I wish Boost Logic made the exhaust for the 90. That would be legit. It'd be like this big. Boost Logic is like, oh, you have a Honda? Okay, we're gonna give you a diesel exhaust for it.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, for sure.
I was actually trying to decline that call and it answered it.
Oh my.
I clicked the button to let it go since we were filming and I heard it pick up and I was like, oh no! Ish. Now we'll just see how well gauge and Sharpie worked out.
I blame it on whoever was holding up.
Sharpie.
Yeah, it's the Sharpie.
don't really know how that worked as far as getting it right back to where it should be, but it did. Now, this is not the funnest part, but I mean, it works. Taking this bracket off for the stock hanger, just so it doesn't ting around and make a bunch of rattling noises. I don't know. At that point, we're officially done. So let's move our, put our brace on that has their logo on it, lower it down, and get some more clips.
Sweet. Alright, first start up with the new Valvetronic mid pipe. Yep, ready. Okay. You know, it's a lot quieter than I thought.
Not bad with the valves shut.
Yeah, it's not too bad at all. This setup actually seems really good for like a daily.
Yeah, I think so too. And he doesn't want it to be too loud, so.